The HCL Technologies brand is positioned around relationships beyond the contract. We firmly believe there is very little understanding of how will the future unfold. In the absence of clear directions on what is going to come tomorrow, a lot of CIOs, a lot of employees are often tasked with a very uncertain future and very little information to take decisions which allow them to perform in the future. And our whole premise is, if you cannot predict the future, and not everybody can invent the future, then the best way to do it is enter into value-centric relationships with brands, with colleagues, where the relationship actually takes you beyond the contract. And contracts are not the best way to drive performance. The way we are running the relationship beyond the contract on digital media is very interesting. We are possibly the first company in the world to come up with an application on top of LinkedIn using LinkedIn APIs, which is a LinkedIn HCL relationship beyond the contract application, which allows you to pick out relationships on LinkedIn which have gone beyond the contract for you and send them a thank you note. There are 5 kinds of thank you notes. One is for alumni, the second is for partners, the third is for customers, the fourth is for colleagues, and the fifth is a miscellaneous note. So you can log into the HCL LinkedIn app, you can send a thank you note, and it's a very nice way of acknowledging someone who's gone beyond the contract. To bolster this, we had created a ad film, Relationship Beyond the Contract, which was possibly the fastest viraling film in the IT services industry. In just 4 weeks of its release, it's already crossed 2 million views on YouTube. And these views have not only come from India, they've come from more than 23 countries. And we are very heartened by this whole adoption of the brand positioning on social media.